These videos are provided as a supplement to previously published Hyundai materials. This information is not intended to replace any processes or procedures. Hyundai WTC has verified that Genesis DH headlight assemblies are being replaced due to a damaged turn signal holder and wiring assembly. This part is available separately and is easily replaceable. This video will show the replacement procedure along with the WPC information. With the headlight assembly off the vehicle, remove both covers near the turn signal bulb. Use a small pocket screwdriver or similar tool to release the connector retaining tab and unplug the connector. Using the same tool, release the retainer tab holding the connector to the assembly body. Take caution to not break or damage this tab, as it is part of the assembly and cannot be repaired. Remove turn signal bulb holder and wiring from socket. Install new part in reverse order. This part is listed in the WPC as front turn signal holder and wiring. Part number 92159, B as in boy, 1100.